All right, hey everybody, we're gonna go over the homework. Mr. Lewis is busy eating chips, but we're gonna get going with this. All right, we're gonna be
Yum.
You got? What are you doing? All right, we're simplifying.
I think I hit you with some chip.
The chips go. I don't know if that goes in that
I
direction.
think I hit you with some chip fragments up there.
Gravity goes down. All right.
No, but the projectiles were up.
All right. Anyway, we're doing this virtually. All right. So check this out. -3p plus 6p. We want to combine like terms.
Can you slow down just a little bit, okay?
All right. So notice they're both alike. And since they're both p's, all I got to really focus on is 6 minus 3, which is 3p. That is your simplified expression. All right, number 2, b minus 3 plus 6 minus 2b. I'm going to combine things that are alike. What do you think, Mr. Ludus?
I don't know. Yeah, okay, I'll go along with it.
All right, so these things are like -2b plus b. Now, what's in front of that b? It's going to help you. There's a 1 in front of that, right? So, Mr. Lewis, what's -2 plus 1?
-2 plus 1. -1.
There you go. So we got -1b, and then, yes, all right. Then I'm going to look at this as -3 plus 6. I'm going to say 6 minus 3 instead, and I get plus 3. Or I could write that as 3 minus 1b, or finally, you could even just say 3 minus b, okay? That's probably the best way to write it with the least amount of writing. All right, here we go. 7x minus x. I'm going to combine them because they're both alike. They're like terms. All right, so 7x minus x is
6x.
6x. Very good, Mr. Ludus. Now you can do this one. I can just do this. You can do this by hearing it, right? 7p minus 10p.
7p minus 10. It's a minus 3p.
-3p. Very nice, Mr. Ludus.
I should have said negative. I apologize.
Yeah. All right, -10v plus 6v. So, really, Mr. Ludus, can you do -10 plus 6?
-10 plus 6 is a 5. You're at
-10 plus 6.
Hold on, you're at -10.
Right.
And how much did you?
You're at -10, and then you increase 6.
You increase 6. Is that a positive 6?
10, I'm going to count backwards. -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4. You're on -4.
Right. Okay.
-4v. All right. You're definitely wrong on that one. We're not even going to go back and check that.
All right.
It's okay.
It's hard because I can't see the problem.
Well,
The
just
kids,
imagine.
you guys can. I can't. But let's continue.
All right. This problem I'm going to write backwards, right? Make it easier. 10r minus 9r. That's the same thing. What's 10r's minus 9r's? Mr.
1r.
Ludus? Okay.
Or just
1r.
R, I should say.
1r or just r. Either of those is completely fine.
Okay. Is it? All right.
It is. It's fine. Okay, here we go. What's alike here for number 7? We got like terms. We got the r's. We got 5r minus 9r. So 5 minus 9, Mr. Ludus, is
-4.
-4r.
R.
You're back, and I've got 9 left. That can't be combined with anything. So 9 minus 4r or -4r plus 9 is also good. Okay, number 8, Mr. Ludus. 1 minus 3v plus 10. The only thing that's alike there is 1 and 10, right? So what's 1 plus 10?
1 plus 10 is 11.
11 minus 3v. Very good. Or -3v minus 11. Or plus 11.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. 5n plus 9n. Mr. Lewis, what's 5n plus 9n?
5n plus 9n equals 14n.
14n. How come you're not looking up at me when you're solving the problem? Thank you. Thank you. All right, next one. 6 minus 4 is?
6 minus 4.
6 minus
2.
4. 2. Very nice. And then I've got that 4b hanging out. So it's 4b plus 2 or 2 plus 4b. All right. This guy, since you can't see the problem, Mr. Lewis, I'm just going to circle these things called the constants. Constants are alone without a variable. What's -1 plus 46? Or I could say it a little bit easier. What's 46 minus 1?
45.
45. Very nice. And what else is left? 35n. So I could say,
I didn't see
yep, 35n. Or I could say 35n plus 45. Okay, very good. All right, Mr. Ludus, I'm not even going to tell you about this problem. All I'm going to say is, can you do 33 plus 49? We're solving it right now.
Are you asking me?
Yeah, 33.
33, 82.
All right, but now they're both negative. It's -33.
Negative. Oh, 33. What did you say?
33 and 49.
33 and 49 is 82.
And since they're both negative, that makes your answer
-82.
Very good. And we have v's in the problem, so we just put a v on there. Very nice. Nice. You just Okay. Is that a thumbs up to me, or what was that?
Yeah. And
okay.
stop your spitting on
All right, here we go. 30n plus 8n is 38n. 7x's plus 31x's is 38x's. So those two are easy. Okay, moving right along here. I'm going to combine my x's. I've got 10x's minus 38x's, which is negative 28x.
Right.
I've got 36 minus 47. Right? So I go past 0 by
11?
what? Yes.
Negative 11?
Very nice. You're with us. Negative 28x.
It's a computer!
All right. This is the first problem that we come to that we've got parentheses. So remember, we have to take that negative 2 and we've got to distribute it into the parentheses. Right? So 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times n is 2n. Then I bring down plus 4. Now I go back. A negative times a positive is a negative. A negative times a negative is a positive. I apologize. All right. Now, here's my like terms. Negative 14 and positive 4, which is?
Negative 14 and a positive 4 is a negative 10.
Yes, very good. And I bring down the 2n. So it's 2n minus 10. Or negative 10 plus 2n. I'm not going to go over the backwards. Every problem can be written backwards. So we're just going to go over one way from now on. All right. Again, I got to distribute into the parentheses. All right. 8 times 5 is 40b. 8 times 7 is 56. The opposite of a negative is a
positive.
The opposite of a positive is a
negative.
And down comes, we call that bathroom boy in class because he was hanging out. He didn't get what?
I didn't
The
hear about
bathroom-
this
the
bathroom
bathroom boy.
boy.
Doesn't get the gift because he was in the bathroom.
Well, I hope he washes his hands.
All right. Okay, so here we go. We got 40b's plus 5b, which is 45b. And we've got 56 left over, so minus 56. That is your final answer. All right. You got a problem?
No,
All right.
I'm fine.
All right. Check it out. This is what's being distributed. The opposite sign. Tricky. Mr. Littis, what is the opposite of a positive 1?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. What is the opposite of negative 6?
Positive 6.
Very good. And down comes this term.
Bathroom boy again?
No, we call this garbage girl in class because there's kids in class that take out the garbage and actually get community service hours for it.
And
All
they're
right?
all girls? Let's not even.
I'm
Let's
just saying that they're separating. Bathroom boy over here, garbage girl over here. We're
Okay.
deciphering, but they don't get the gift.
Right, okay.
Right? Okay, so here we go. I've got 6p's minus 4p's. What's 6p's minus 4p's, Mr. Ludis?
6p, 2p.
2p, and then I've got that minus 1 left over. And that's all you can do to simplify that problem. All right, we've got 4 more, and we're going to go kind of quick. I'm going to distribute, but the place where you're going to make a mistake in this problem is distributing the wrong thing. You're distributing negative 5, all right, into the parentheses. So here we go. 5 times 4 is
20.
20, and 5 times 3 is 15. Opposite of a negative is a
Positive.
positive, and the opposite of a positive is a
Negative.
negative. And now I bring down the garbage girl over here, right? Here we go.
Huh? That's funny.
4 minus 15 is
What?
negative 11. 4 minus
okay,
15.
okay.
And I've got 20 n's left over, so your answer is 20n minus 11. All right. Okay, good job. All right, next one. Distributing into the parentheses. Remember, bathroom boy over here does not get the gift because he's in the bathroom. So 7 times k is 7k. 7 times 8 is 56. All right, the opposite of a positive is a
Negative.
The opposite of a negative is a
Positive.
positive, and down comes bathroom boy. All right,
That's
combine terms that are alike. 7k's, negative 7k's plus 2k's is
5k. Negative 5k.
negative 5k, and we've got 56 left over, but they're positive. So I'm actually going to put that in the beginning, and then I don't have to write the plus sign. Pretty
Okay,
neat.
right.
All right, here we go. Distributing the 7 into the parentheses. All right, it's very tempting to want to do 1 plus 7, right? But we don't do that. Multiplication comes first in order of operations. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3b is
21.
21b. Positive times a positive is a positive, and a positive times a negative is a negative.
Negative.
And I have to write the positive because now I have to connect the 1 to it. All right, now I'm going to combine like terms. Which are the constants? 1 plus 7 is
8.
8 minus 21b. And that is that. And time for the final problem. We have to distribute the negative 8. So these were challenging problems. 8 times 7, Mr. Ludis, is
56.
56. Look at me when you're talking to me, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. 8 times 5 is
40.
40, and a negative times a positive is a
Negative. Positive. Wait. Negative times a positive is a negative.
thank you, and a negative times a negative is a
Positive.
positive. And down comes garbage girl. And now we're going to combine 3 minus 56, which is negative 53, and we have a 40n left over. I'm going to put that at the beginning. So 40n minus 53. If you were aware enough to look at the rest of your homework,
Which I'm sure you were.
if you went beyond this page, you saw the answer key was actually on the second page. So and that's okay. It's okay to look at your answers and make sure that you're doing it right. What's not okay is if you're not showing your work and just writing the answers down. All right, so make sure you show all your work, do your best. You're going to get better at these the more often you do them, and we're going to get a lot of practice over the next week. What do you think, Mr. Lewis?
Great. Y'all come back now, you hear?
Y'all come back now. All right. Why do you keep doing that?
Because you
All right.
spittle.
See you guys.